Hi everyone, I am going to talk about biological oxygen demand. First, we shall see the introduction. Biochemical oxygen demand is the amount of dissolved oxygen used by microbes in the biological process for metabolizing organic matter in water at certain temperature over a specific time period. If more organic matter is there, greater the BOD will be. For example, sewage and polluted water bodies, and it's a gauge of the organic pollution of water body. Main reasons for treating the wastewater prior to its discharge into the water resources like streams, lakes, rivers or estuaries is to lower its BOD. Presence of a sufficient concentration of dissolved oxygen is critical to maintaining the aquatic life and the aesthetic quality of streams and lakes. The decay of organic matter in water is measured as biochemical oxygen demand. Human induced factors, that is, addition of excessive fertilizers that is released into the water body, can lessen the amount of dissolved oxygen in a water body that results in stresses on the aquatic life. Water analysis is utilized to better understand the effect of bacteria and other microbes on the amount of oxygen they consume as they decompose the organic matter under aerobic condition. The waste organic matter is stabilized through the decomposition by bacteria which need oxygen to do their work. BOD is used often in wastewater treatment plants as an index of the degree of organic pollution in water. The BOD value is most commonly expressed in milligrams of oxygen consumed per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees C. Now let's see the principle behind the dissolved oxygen determination. While testing the water sample for dissolved oxygen content under alkaline conditions by adding alkaline iodide azide, the manganese sulfate produces a white precipitate of manganese hydroxide. This reacts with the dissolved oxygen present in the sample to form a brown precipitate. On acidic condition, manganese diverts to its divalent state and release iodine. This released iodine is titrated against sodium thiosulfate using starch as an indicator. And now let's see about the materials that is required for measuring the dissolved oxygen content. Alkaline iodide azide solution, manganese sulfate, concentrated sulfuric acid, starch solution, 0.025 N sodium thiosulfate, BOD bottle, water bottle, pipettes, measuring cylinders, BOD incubator, burette and burette stand, standard flask, magnetic stirrer, and glass funnel. And now let's see the procedure for finding out the dissolved oxygen content. First thing is the collection of water sample from any source, either pond or lakes or rivers or any water. Carefully fill the BOD bottle with the sample water without making air bubbles. Add 2 ml of manganese sulfate to the BOD bottle carefully by inserting the pipette just below the surface of water to avoid the formation of air bubbles. Then add 2 ml of alkali iodide azide reagent in the same manner. Close the bottle and mix the sample by inverting many times. A brownish cloud will appear in the solution as an indicator of the presence of oxygen. Now allow the brown precipitate to settle out to the bottom. Then add 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid carefully without forming air bubbles. Then close the bottle and mix the solution well to dissolve the precipitate. Then keep the bottle in BOD incubator for 5 days of incubation. After incubation, titrate 50 ml of sample water with 0.025 N sodium thiosulfate to form a pale yellow color. Then add 2 ml of starch solution. So the sample now turns to blue in color. Now continue the titration till the sample gets clear and note the readings. The concentration of the dissolved oxygen in the sample is equivalent to the number of milliliters of titrant used. And the formula for calculation of this BOD5 is D0 minus D5 divided by P. The D0 is nothing but the dissolved oxygen content of the diluted sample after preparation, that is expressed in mg per liter. Then D5, it is the dissolved oxygen content of the diluted sample after 5 days of incubation, also expressed in mg per liter. And P is the decimal dilution factor. Thank you.